Hi guys, welcome to the channel Traveler's Bridge. It's your boy Bridge coming at you from Kuala Lumpur. This place, it's electric. We're talking a wild mix of old school tradition and modern mayhem, all crammed into one crazy city. Ancient temples right next to skyscrapers that disappear into the clouds. Food so good it should be illegal. I'm about to show you the spots, the hidden gems, the places you absolutely cannot miss in Kuala Lumpur. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this show on the road. Kuala Lumpur, a city where tradition and modernity blend effortlessly. Let's explore the top places you simply can't miss. First up, you already know what it is. The Petronas Twin Towers. These bad boys dominate the skyline here. We're talking 452 meters of pure architectural brilliance. Seriously, pictures don't even come close to doing them justice. You gotta get up there, feel the vertigo hit you as you look out over the city. This is where you'll find the sky bridge, connecting the two towers, and let me tell you, it's an experience. You haven't lived until you've felt the sway of the wind 170 meters in the air. And don't even get me started on the view. At night, they have this water fountain show that's totally mesmerizing. Alright, time to get spiritual, yo. We're jumping out of the city for a bit and heading to the Batu Caves. Just a quick 30-minute ride and you'll be staring up at these massive limestone cliffs, home to a network of caves and temples. Get ready to work those glutes because you're climbing 272 rainbow-colored steps to reach the main attraction. At the top, you'll be greeted by the giant golden statue of Lord Murugan, standing tall at 140 feet. The view from up there, let's just say it's Instagram gold. So you want panoramic views? You want to feel like you're on top of the world? Then we're heading to the KL Tower. This skyscraper clocks in at 421 meters, and it's got this crazy observation deck called the Sky Deck. Now here's the kicker. The Sky Deck has a glass floor. You can stand there and look straight down at the city below. The views from up here are insane. It's the perfect spot to capture some epic shots for the gram. Alright, let's take a break from the skyscrapers for a minute and find some zen at the Thean Hou Temple. This six-tiered Chinese temple is perched on a hill, surrounded by lush greenery. The architecture is mind-blowing, with intricate carvings and those iconic red lanterns hanging everywhere. It's a place where you can actually feel the peace and quiet, even though you're in the middle of a bustling city. It's a beautiful blend of culture and history, and you can't help but feel a sense of awe when you're there. Alright, time for a history lesson, kids. We're heading to Merdeka Square, the spot where Malaysia declared its independence back in 1957. You can feel the history here, in the colonial buildings, the Malaysian flag flying high above, and the energy of the place. It's not just a historical landmark, though. Merdeka Square is a living, breathing part of the city. Take a walk around, soak it all in, and maybe even join a walking tour to learn more about the fascinating history of this place. Ready to shop till you drop? Then hold on to your wallets because we're about to hit up Central Market and Petaling Street, Kuala Lumpur's Chinatown. Central Market is a treasure trove of local crafts, souvenirs, and unique finds. And then there's Petaling Street, a bustling night market where you can haggle for everything under the sun. The energy here is infectious, with street food vendors hawking their delicious snacks and crowds of people vying for the best deals. Okay, after all that shopping and sightseeing, it's time to escape the concrete jungle and find some peace and quiet. And there's no better place to do that than the Perdana Botanical Gardens, also known as Lake Gardens. This sprawling green oasis is right in the heart of the city, but it feels like a world away. We're talking lush lawns, colorful flower gardens, and a serene lake where you can rent a paddle boat or just chill by the water. It's the perfect place to go for a run, have a picnic, or just escape the hustle and bustle for a few hours. As the sun goes down, Kuala Lumpur comes alive, and there's no place that embodies the city's vibrant nightlife quite like Jalan Alor and Bukit Bintang. Jalan Alor is a food lover's paradise, with street stalls lining the street, cooking up some of the most delicious and affordable eats you'll ever find. We're talking grilled satay, spicy noodles, fresh seafood, and everything in between. Bukit Bintang is where you go for clubs, bars, and rooftop lounges. It's the place to see and be seen, with people from all walks of life coming together to party the night away. In the heart of the city, nestled between skyscrapers and bustling streets, lies Masjid Jamek, one of Kuala Lumpur's oldest and most beautiful mosques. This architectural marvel, with its stunning domes and intricate details, stands as a testament to the city's rich history and cultural diversity. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a sense of peace and tranquility that's hard to find in the middle of a bustling metropolis. Now, I've shown you the iconic landmarks, the must-see spots. But Kuala Lumpur is a city that rewards the curious, the adventurous, those willing to venture off the beaten path. Get lost in the maze-like streets of Kampung Baru, a traditional Malay village nestled right in the heart of the city. Discover hidden cafes tucked away in alleyways, serving up some of the best coffee you'll ever taste. Stumble upon vibrant street art murals, adding a splash of color to unexpected corners of the city. These are the experiences that will stay with you long after you've left Kuala Lumpur, the memories that will make your trip truly unforgettable. So there you have it, my friends, a whirlwind tour of Kuala Lumpur, a city that truly has it all. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, a culture vulture, or an adrenaline junkie, KL has something for everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to add this incredible city to your travel bucket list. And if you do make it out here, hit me up on social media. Let me know what you thought. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.